How often do you write emails, send text, or chat messages? Well, you might not have a count of it because you are doing it all the day round, isn't it? On an average, a person spends 3.5 hours a day writing or replying business or personal emails, messages, or communicating on social media. Now, this video series by The Changes called Skill Up aims to bring about some quick learning tools which are vital in building your positive image. Hi, I am Sonia Gupta, and today I have for you the 5 common mistakes which we should avoid in our verbal communication. And through this video, I will not only tell you the common mistakes, I'll also tell you the reason they are incorrect and how you can rectify them. So, let's get started. Now, number 1 is writing or saying reply or revert back or things like repeat again. Now, using back with action words like reply, revert, respond, return, and using again with words like replay, rewind, repeat, and other such action words which have re prefixed is incorrect. Now, this is the most common error which is visible in both emails, text, as well as in spoken English. Now, this is a redundancy. Redundancy means using more words than necessary, and often the words mean the same. Now, re is a prefix which means back or again, or it simply indicates repetition. So, instead of reply, revert back, use reply or revert or respond omitting the word back. Number 2, using second form of the verb or the past tense with the helping verb did. Like, we did not went there. Did you call her? I did not spoke with her. He did not replied to the email. Now, as a syntax rule, with the helping verb did, we only use the first form of the verb. So instead of we did not went there, we use we did not go there. Did you call her? We replace by saying or writing did you call her. I did not spoke to her is incorrect. We replace it with I did not speak with her. And he did not reply to the mail. We correct it by saying or writing he did not reply to the mail. Number 3, what is your good name? Now, this is a typical Indian way of being polite in asking someone's name, or it is a literal translation of आपका शुभ नाम क्या है? However, this is an extremely incorrect or inappropriate way of beginning a conversation with someone or knowing someone's name. Just imagine, will anyone have a bad name? Now, there are many ways of getting a stranger tell you their name. Like, instead of what is your good name, we can say, hi, I am Sonia, and you are? Or hi, I did not get your name, maybe in a less formal setting. Or simply, may I know your name, please? Number 4, she's more taller than Samir, or he is the most smartest boy in the class. Now, as a rule of the language, we cannot use more when we've already suffixed er while comparing. And we cannot use most when we have suffixed est in the adjective itself. Now, this again is a redundancy. So, instead of she's more taller than Samir, you can use she's taller than Samir or she's more tall than Samir. In place of he is the most smartest boy in class, you can say he's the smartest boy in the class. And now, the number 5 and the last one. I'm having 5 years of experience, or she's having a big house. Now, as a syntax rule, simple continuous tense cannot be used for such pragmatic situations. Simple present tense is used for facts and simple continuous tense is used for temporary situations. So instead of I'm having 5 years of experience, which is very common while interviewing, you can simply use I have 5 years of experience. And instead of she's having a big house, you can simply say she has a big house. It is important to avoid these mistakes as they can hamper your professional image of the organization you represent, and of course, it is important for your messages to be clear, concise, and bringing in the desired response. Now, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe us and share with people whom you think can benefit from this, because we soon are coming up with more such learning videos. Until we meet again, take good care and bye-bye.